Kia ora koutou, my name is Amanda. I'm here to talk about what it's like running the STEM program that's been energising schools across the nation, the Power Challenge. Joined by me today is a Wellington teacher who took part in this challenge with a class of really cool and really smart students. Mr. Miller, pleased to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Amanda. You are in my class.
Let's get started. How did you feel before signing up for the Power Challenge?
Nervous and excited. Nervous because I was worried I didn't have enough technical expertise or knowledge to be able to do it, but excited because the kits were wonderful and well presented with lots and lots of guidance.
So what was it like preparing for the challenge?
It was super easy. There was lots and lots of resources online, and in fact you go through a little training beforehand with like videos that step you through what you need to know. There's lots of course material so you understand what each module is going to be. And of course finally I got to meet our ambassador Justin and to organise with him about how we were going to deliver the project.
I've heard Justin is an electrical engineer and that he's really awesome.
Well, he did give a career presentation on his first day in class, and I do believe you were there.
Yeah, well, I think you're mistaken, Mr. Miller. For those of us who have never met Justin, tell me what it was like to work with him.
Justin was super knowledgeable and had lots of technical expertise, and he gave me lots of confidence because any questions I couldn't answer, he could.
Tell me about your Power Challenge experience.
Well, as you would know, it's super fun and easy. We've timetabled it for once a week on a Thursday. It's super engaging, especially the hands-on building and making. One of the designs that was really interesting, these boys raided my drawers and got 12 spoons, cut the ends off them, jammed them into the hub. With a little bit of hot glue, it produced enough power to get to the city. So even in the light winds, it was operating better than most other designs.
How did you use the resources that the Wonder Project provided?
Well, before class start, I'd make sure that I'd watch the tutorial videos, go onto the Learning Hub, prepare any videos, get them set up on the screen to display if I needed. I'd go through what the students would be going through in the course material, so I knew what the students were doing, and then there were lots of handy notes on the lesson plans that I could use throughout the lesson to refer back to make sure that we're on course.
So how did you make it fit into the school day?
We just timetabled the time in. I've got an afternoon, I do a block a week. It fits perfectly in that time frame.
The word on the street is that you've got some very great students in your class.
We do, yeah.
How do those very cool students respond to the Power Challenge?
They're really excited with the kit turning up, especially with when all the equipment came out. Through the designing and making phase, they were really interested. And again, we hit excitement when we could see how much power we were generating with their designs. Since you were there, is there anything that you would like to add?
Well, hypothetically, if I had done the Power Challenge and I wasn't a professional interviewer, I would say I think it's really awesome how we get to learn about how Wellington gets its electricity. We get to learn about the blade designs and how the wind turbines reach our houses. It's just really awesome. So what did you get out of your experience?
Confidence. I'd be much more confident now running a project like we've just run by myself. I had lots of opportunities to help build circuits, building the turbines, designing the blades, understanding what an expert would say, and if the box turned up, and I could run that tomorrow.
How do you feel about STEM after doing the Power Challenge?
Excited to try again. I'd love to try other things that the Wonder Project has got, and certainly I'm pretty sure I could design my own stuff now.
Some great reasons for more teachers to sign up. What would you say to any teachers thinking about doing the Power Challenge?
Give it a go. What have you got to lose? There's so much that this project gives you in terms of confidence, knowledge, technical abilities, and there's so much support. There's no reason not to give it a go.
Do you have any tips for teachers running the challenge?
Yeah, sign up and start.
What an insightful interview. Thank you, Mr. Miller. Your students are very lucky to have a teacher like you.
I'm lucky to have students like you, Amanda.
Aw, this interview is feeling the love. Well, that's all the time we have. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Ka kite anō. See you next time.